Yo, what up everybody? Today I got a haul. I was gonna call this thing a mini haul, but still pretty expensive, so I still count it as a haul, I would say. So we're gonna jump right into this and show you guys what I got. These expensive, very, very nice pieces, a little story behind it. The first item, I was gonna cop this thing just like regular price, freaking like full price expensive, but then luckily got it 40% off for this midsummer sale. Gotta love the sales, except you gotta always wait for that perfect timing. It's very difficult to snag them. The best sales, the sizes and all that. Or the certain brands and whatnot. So yeah, I went downtown, picked this up the other day. Now let's open this up and then try it on. If you don't already know, I always do a preview and a try on at the end of my video, so I'll try the stuff on and then I'll do a close-up preview, the macro lens, the flashlight, the close-ups, show the materials, the details, the whole product, tags, all that, so you can see everything about it, know all about the product. It's better to know what you're purchasing or like to know what you want like that, or like to know what you're getting exactly. I really like that. I think even the store should just do like a video of the product or like more detailed pictures and stuff instead of just like these blurry, like Urban Outfitters always like blast their freaking color correction all the way up. But yeah, I put timestamps in the description if you want to skip my blabber and my vlog type thing. But it's fun. So let's go, let's vibe, let's see what we got. The first item I was talking about, the expensive, the main one that I was like debating for so long. I didn't see this tag the first time around when I saw this, when I tried this on. Because I did. Is it not the same one? I thought it had a hood. Oh, maybe it just doesn't have a hood. It's definitely the same. Yeah, it's definitely the same one. I don't even know what I'm talking about. It comes with this packing bag. So yeah, I was gonna buy this thing full price. I don't even know what I was saying. I got distracted because I thought it had a hood. Oh well. You don't necessarily need a hood for just like a vest. But yeah, I wanted this nice vest, something really like super warm. It's got the Primaloft technology in it, and then it's got the Eco Nile, so that recycled nylon material, so this thing will be able to be recycled forever. Sorry, the camera fell. I don't know when that happened. But yeah, I was saying it's got the Primaloft embroidered on here, and then it's got the Eco Nile. Oh my god, I cannot pronounce that. Eco Nile tag. So it's made from regenerated nylon, and then it can be recycled forever. Yeah, it's like super thick, like a very nice warm puffer. You got this little ACG globe on the pocket, very nice. And then it's got like this like olive-ish, like gray inner lining, which is very nice. It's got a very heavy-duty zipper drawstring, and then I think it's YKK. They usually have YKK zippers. And then a nice embroidered ACG. I like the embroidery. Really happy that they put the embroidery on this thing, because embroiders will last forever. Won't fall off. Then you go inside, and you got the Lunar Lake. So that's the kind of like addition for this ACG collection. And there's a jacket like this one, like exact same too. I was debating on the jacket, but I was like, I have enough jackets, so I never have owned a vest, so this is my first vest ever too. And then the Primaloft, I've tested Primaloft out before, it's amazing. It's like, you can literally just like pack this down into nothing, and it's the same as like a down-filled jacket. It's basically like the most like low space, oh my gosh, I can't think. It's like the most compactable insulation. That's the word I was trying to think of. Then you got the Move to Zero recycled tag there. Then we got the ACG Therma-FIT ADV, so it's the Therma-FIT adding that extra warmth to it. I don't know much details about the Therma-FIT. I only have a few products. That's kind of new to me. So I'll have to test it out. I think it just adds extra warmth to it. It makes it like durable for storms, like actually going out in like very, very cold weather. Large, made in Vietnam. Then you got this cute little bag. It even has like a little like ACG like little gemstone on it. That's like cute with the Lunar Lake label. Very nice. Like I was saying before, you can always just go check out the preview at the end if you missed any of the details or you want to see the actual like close-ups or see what I'm talking about. You can always just go check it out at the end to see the actual details. So yeah, large, adult, unisex, Canadian, $305. So that's what I was saying. Like this is expensive. So it's saying the Therma-FIT ADV, heat regulating properties, advanced engineering, keep you warm in cold weather. So yeah, it's basically just like it's just better jacket, I guess. Like it's their way of just saying they upgraded it. Made with at least 75% recycled fibers. That's better than like normally how they're like, oh, we only use at least 25%. Like Nike's terrible for the environment, or like at like being responsible. Yeah, that's pretty much all for the jacket. Pretty much went through it all. I'll just have to try it on for you guys. I'll do that in a few. It looks bigger than I remember, but like when I tried it on in store, it was like a bit oversized, and that's like what I like. So, and I even tried on the medium, and the medium was just like, it was too big of a size difference. Like the medium was way too small. So I stuck with this one. It even has a little carabiner triangle on, a little mini one with a little looped thing to hang stuff on or to attach stuff to, which is very nice. And then yeah, the bag to pack it into. And yeah, I love that Primloft, how like it's like the lightest insulation. That's also what I was trying to say. Okay, so that's dope. Very happy with that purchase. That'll last me like my whole life, I bet. Oh, excusez-moi. Oh yeah, I got Stussy tape, which is cool to add to like decorations. I can use this for like my storage, you know, if I want to like 100% oriented polypropylene. Wow. Stussy International, genuine product. That's dope. That's actually dope. Like I just think it's like just a cool collectible thing, even just for like the shelf. Yeah, like when I move, if I pack stuff up, I don't know, like if I fix stuff up, I can use this. I think I thought it was just like a really cool cop, you know? Just something fancy to decorate with. And it was on sale too, so that's why I was like, I may as well, because I saw it in store when it was like full price, and I was like, oh, that's so cool, but I was like, I'm definitely not paying full price for that. Then I got this North Face beanie. I got the regular fit one. There was regular fit and shallow fit. Salty Dog beanie, that's what they're called, in Hero Blue. Last year's model, 2021. One size, and $34.99, made in Indonesia. Smells interesting, but I didn't notice how it has a great interior. I didn't like see, like that's the thing, like with pictures you don't notice these kind of things. So this is like, I thought it was like a lightweight beanie, but this is actually like a thick beanie. That's what I thought like the Salty Dog thing meant, was that it was like very lightweight. But I guess it means like, no, it's made for like seafaring people. Like this is like a heavy duty beanie. And then the shallow fit one must have just been like tinier to go like above the ears. But this is probably the fit I want. Oh yeah, this is tight. It still fits nice though. But it's tight. Which is kind of weird. Like I wouldn't want the shallow fit one. It would be like tight above my ears like this. Like that would be whack. But yeah, it is very tight though too. And I have a small head. So like, this must be crazy tight on like the average person. How is this one size? That's like definitely size warning. I have a small head and this is super tight on me. So like, what is this like? That's really weird. Well, at least I know I won't be buying any more North Face ones. And I always wanted them just because they look so good quality. Like I love this knitting and like the patch. But like this insulation just doesn't make any sense. It makes it so tight. If it was just like the knit exterior, like the Stussy one I got in one of my last hauls, then like if it was just like a very light knitted toque, like some of the other ones I've gotten, the Stussy ones they make like that, it would have been perfect. But this one, like, so tight. Damn. I'll have to debate. I love the color. I wouldn't return it, I don't think. I'll still wear it. And like the good thing about a tight beanie, I guess, is like then you can put your hood over it. It's kind of just good for like more like colder weather, storm, like layering, I guess is what I'm trying to say. And then one of the other items, very, very, very crazy cop, expensive, very, very how do you say it? Very hype, super hype cop for the last. Save the best for last. Hopefully, I hope it's the best. Bam! We got... Interesting, not what I expected. I thought they were, like, thick puffer gloves. But I copped some Stone Island gloves. Definitely won't be, like, using these for, like, walks with Maya or whatever. I'm not going to be, like, trying to ruin them. These will be like for fancier occasions. Trying it on? Fits fine. Patent pending. What are they trying to patent? This super mini clip. It is a very like nice. It looks like exactly like a big clip but miniature. Like that's kind of cool. These are fire though. Like it'll go so well with my ACG fit I put together. Like I have a bucket hat and a jacket, and then like I'll wear the North Face pants, and then hopefully by winter I can get the North Face boots, and this will be so fire. But I thought they're gonna be, maybe they are like very warm. Maybe it's like kind of like how like Primaloft is, how it's just like lightweight. But then you got that Stone Island logo, very light right there. Like everything always looks so different in pictures. That's what I hate. Like when you see this in a picture, it looks like poofy, and like I thought it was like actually like a puffer glove. Still, it kind of is like a puffer glove. The thumbs are kind of short on it, and like it has a very like there's lots of space in like the fingers, and lots of space like at the gaps, so it's kind of hard to like move around. Like you wouldn't be able to like use your phone with these or anything, which kind of sucks. I'm gonna read the details on these again because there were some like funky details about it that I want to like look at again to see like what it was talking about, like why they were so expensive and like why they are good quality. So I forget what the technologies were, and I actually want to check it out again to see if I got scammed. Their retail $253 though, so that's like insane. Oh, the tag fell off, and I got them for like 80 or 90, something like that. And yeah, they're very dope. It's more like I'll have to test them out to see, so probably have to do a review on these eventually. Review on Stone Island gloves. That'd be fun. They are like really cool looking though, like not gonna lie. Check out the preview for more details. It's got a verification tag in here. Control 1. This is like the first one made. Size large, I think. Size large, even though it fits like normal, so I guess it's like slightly big, so I'm like medium to large for glove size. It's so hard to like figure out sizing. Made in Tunisia. I've never seen that before. Tunisia. Is that Italy? 100% polyamide. I think that's just like a type of like plastic stuff. And another authenticity thing. Maybe I'll check the authenticity. Maybe the store sold me a fake. Just kidding. This store's like pretty reputable. They got lots of high-end products. Yeah, that's all for this haul. It was still super expensive, even though it was just 4 items. Those 2, the jacket and gloves. Winter shit is like crazy expensive. That's why like, I guess it's better to wait till the summer. Now it's summer because no one wants to buy it, and they got it all this old stuff. They want to prepare for the new year, new stuff coming in, so you know, and already new stuff's coming in, so it's crazy like that. So they're just trying to get rid of it on sale, which is nice. Got it 40 off, better than buying it full price and regretting it, because I was actually going to buy it like at the beginning of summer full price. So it would have been pointless. I wouldn't have used it yet. So, like, damn. It's crazy like that. Like, that's the thing. Some people don't even pay attention to sales, and they'll literally just, like, buy everything full price and never even try and get stuff on sale. And it's like, damn, that's just, like, insane how much the markups are. But that kind of sucks with, like, Supreme and brands like that, how, like, you only have to pay the markup. Like, you don't have a choice. Or just don't buy it, but I can't resist it. Shit's so nice. So fuck you if you say fucking, why do you buy this if you hate corporations? I can hate and love, hate it or love it. Or hate it and or how does the song go? Yeah, 50 Cent. Preview. Try on right now. Peace. Like and subscribe to support. Please and thanks. Much love. Peace.